Hey yo, we're here. Michael's filming today. I'm going to be the one planting. So I'm Michael,
I'm Michael.
and we're Michael and Michael. So welcome in if you're a first time viewer, and if you're not, welcome back. We're glad to have you. So today I'm going to do just a quick couple of baskets. These are for my mom for Mother's Day. I give her plants every year, and I know I've talked about it before. My mom's not the best with plants. She's getting so much better though. Oh my gosh, I'm so proud of her for how she's been doing with plants. She kept everything alive last year and did really well. So we're going to make her another couple of baskets. These are the same pots that we used last year. I'm just going to refill them. Um, so I kind of want to know, do you go to plants for your mom for Mother's Day, or are you another go-to? Let us know in the comments what you do for your mom for Mother's Day. I'd love to hear what you do. I love plants, and I know she loves to get plants that she can keep alive, so that's kind of my go-to. But anyway, let's talk about what we're going to put together. So in this, I've got 3 plants that I'm going to put together. First, this gorgeous heuchera. This is the Primo Peachberry Ice. Oh my gosh, at the color of this plant. This is a Proven Winners version. It's the first time I've been able to get my hands on it here, but look at the colors. Incredible, I love it. I'm going to do a hosta in this as well, and this is the Empress Wu. This is a rather large hosta. We have several here that we just adore. So I'm going to do this one, then I'll plant it out after season's over. And then with this basket, I'm going to do a Rocapoco, and this is the Tropical Shades. Love these. These get absolutely enormous in a shaded area. We do ours in about a couple hours of morning sun and then let them go in the shade the rest of the day, and they just explode. This is going to fill out probably this big in this basket. It'll be incredible. So we're going to do that. So I've already done a little biotone in my soil. I did brand new soil because this has not been changed since last year. So we're going to go ahead and get this one planted up. Little tip, take your pot out, put it in, and then you know where your root's going to go. Not root bound at all. At all. Wow, okay, so we won't be able to do that with this one. And there we go. I love these colors together. That's going to look so good when this kind of blows up. This will get much larger as well. And then the hosta will just kind of be a nice little green in there as well. So that's the first basket. Now let's do our smaller basket. And I thought I would pull some of the soil over from that one, which I can do there. Let me get a little more soil. Okay, so this basket is going to be part sun, and I'm going to do all annual, so I'm going to use my slow release in the whole basket so they have some fuel for the season. And now I'm just going to mix that in a little. As I dig in there, it'll go in. So I'm going to show you what I got. So in the back, we have this beautiful yellow begonia. This is called Blitz. And these are incredible. We get these at our local nursery called Indoor Farms in Abingdon, Virginia. They're amazing. They do the best begonias anywhere in this area. So that's our starter in the back. This is going to get pretty big. Then in the back as well, I have a Vermillionaire Cuthia. And this is not really for the color, although that red is going to go really nice with the yellow. There's no blooms on this yet, but they're starting to come out a little bit. I got this for the hummingbirds. Mom loves hummingbirds. Dad does too, so this is kind of for him too. And they have a couple that come in every year, and I think they just came in today. We're like late April, so they're starting to come in today. We just saw them at the feeder. So This will get pretty tall. This is going to be 18 to 28, 18 to 28 tall. So this will fill out in the back. Again, this is just for the hummingbirds, not really for the look, although it will still look good in this basket. And then in the front, I'm going to do two different tuber begonias. So this one is a non-stop mocha bright orange. Look at that. Incredible color. These are 12 to 14 wide and 8 to 12 tall. They will not get too tall. They'll trail over the side of this basket, and the same with this one. And this is an off-brand. I do not know the color. I'm so sorry, but look at that. Look at that. Those blooms are incredible. I'm telling you, the place where I go to get these has the best begonias ever, like that I've ever seen. So if you're nearby, go see them at Indoor Farms in Abingdon. So here we go. I know this is really dry, and probably people are going to say that's too dry. Not for a begonia. They love to be dry like that. With your begonias like this, with the tuberous begonias, be careful not to get soil up on the trunk of the plant. They will rot, and they do not like a lot of water, so be very careful how you water them. And there you go. That looks nice and full already, but this is really going to fill in and be really pretty with these trailing over the edge. I just think it's going to be a really nice look. And that red or orangey color with the red and the yellow and the peachy tones, I think that's just going to be incredible. So these are our two Mother's Day baskets. I know she's going to love them. At least I hope she does. But anyway, thanks so much for watching. If you haven't already, like, comment, and subscribe. We appreciate you as always. Bye.